Welcome to our official YouTube channel. We're here to assist you in learning how to use the UPDF's tool for creating custom fillable PDF form MS Word. However, before starting, ensure that you have UPDF installed on your system, for which you can use the link given in the description. Now that you have got this multi-dimensional PDF tool on your Windows, it is time that we move towards the main part of this video and learn how you can create a fillable PDF from Word on Windows. Open UPDF. Click on the File tab in the top left corner. This will open up a drop-down menu, and you will need to hover the mouse on the Create option and choose PDF from Word. This will create a PDF file of your Word document. After that, access the Prepare Form option, tap on the Settings icon, choose the Form Field Recognition option to make your PDF file fillable. Before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button. That way you will get a notification for our future updates, and we will see you in another helpful review soon.